भाई साहब, तारा ने ऐसी कुछ बातें कह दी हैं साक्षी के बारे में जिनको पढ़ने के बाद शायद आप लोग भी सोचेंगे कि क्या साक्षी अब तक हम सभी लोगों के साथ गेम खेल रही थी। तारा ने 3 बड़े बड़े पेजेस लिख दिए अपनी फीलिंग्स बताते हुए, एंड यू शुड डेफिनेटली टेक अ लुक। लव क्वेश्चन मार्क, यस आई डोंट लव यू एनी मोर, हाउ कुड आई आफ्टर वॉट यू डिड टू मी, बट डोंट यू डेयर से आई डिडंट लव यू। यू हैड ड्रीम्स दैट आई सपोर्टेड ऑलवेज सो मच, सो दैट आई वॉज द वन cheering for your win when you decided to go on a dating show. While you said you loved me in that moment, I was the one you kissed at the airport when you embarked on this new journey. You say I'm invested in degrading you and that my love has everything to do with the public eye. While you were the one who degraded me in front of the whole world, I came behind you because I wanted to win you back. I came because I was missing you deeply. It was never about winning back, because you had told me you were mine and I was yours till the end. People now call me toxic because they don't know the reality. They have no idea how shattered I was to see my girl saying she loves someone else on camera and the same things to me off camera. So who was faking their love for the public eye? Forget the audience, the creator don't know the reality because of the lies you have fed everyone for. So when I came to you, I had to play my part, I had to lie. Why? Because I had loved you and I couldn't digest the possibility of people calling you fake and giving you hate. You did not just play me, you played the audience and the creators too. You lied to them saying that you were not with me anymore. I have no interest in degrading anyone, but after what you did to me, you and your new love didn't think twice to go after me just so that you can get some more views. Nobody can understand what I have felt, because being confused is fine but playing with someone's life is not. Because while many have been cheated on, you made a fool out of me in front of the whole world. And what do you expect out of me? That you keep sharing such messages to clear your image and portray me as toxic, and I keep mum and continue my suffering that started in October. You expect me to keep shut, suffer in silence and not reveal by saying I wouldn't do it. I loved you just because I loved you. I should just not do anything and let you walk all over me again. I think the entire nation knows your opportunist nature by now. I have a lot to say but I won't. But do not dare mistake my silence for fear. I could have said a lot and revealed the entire truth out in the open, but I didn't. So far because I did love you. And if you loved me, which you apparently said you did so many times, you wouldn't have done this with me in front of the whole world. You have given me trauma I wouldn't be able to move on from for I don't know how long. We had a home together, we promised each other to spend our life together, but you left it all in a matter of days for fame. I just say be happy with it, because fame is your first and last love. I pity the fool who is with you where I was once. I just hope he doesn't face what I did. प्यार तो मैंने किया था, लेकिन आजकल प्यार की जीत नहीं होती, जीतता तो सिर्फ गेम है और फेम है। With broken heart। इतना सब कुछ पढ़ने के बाद पर्सनली मुझे ऐसा लगता है इन दोनों के बीच में बहुत कुछ हुआ है। एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू तारा, साक्षी उनसे प्यार करती थी। जब वो डेटिंग शो पर जा रही थी उनका फुल्ली ब्रेकअप नहीं हुआ था, और अभी भी ऐसी बहुत सी बातें हैं जो तारा को मालूम है और वो दुनिया को नहीं बताना चाहते। लेकिन ये तो सिर्फ तारा की साइड थी। ऑल्दो साक्षी ने क्लियर कर दिया है कि अब वो इस टॉपिक पर एक भी स्टोरी या एक भी पोस्ट नहीं करने वाली। तो आप लोग के क्या पर्सनल ओपिनियन है नीचे कॉमेंट जरूर करना। एंड विद दिस सेड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन।